Hi, second graders, it's Miss Gambino, and I am here to review the problem of the day. So, you had two questions on your problem of the day today. One was about time, one was about money, and the other one was about time. Let's start with the one about money. Okay, it says Gambino has 3 nickels, 2 dimes, and 1 quarter. How much money does Gambino have? Okay, so he has 3 nickels, 2 dimes, and 1 quarter. Now I'm going to draw my coins. So he has 3 nickels. Nickel, nickel, nickel. He has 2 dimes. Dime, dime. And he has 1 quarter. Quarter. Okay. Nickel, nickel, nickel. Dime, dime. Quarter. Okay. So my class uses touch points to review money. If your class didn't do that, just ignore this part. But let's get started here. So a nickel, I know that's worth 5 cents. I'm going to write a 5 below it, and I'm also going to put a dot in the middle. The same for the other 2 nickels. Okay, so each nickel is worth 5 cents. Now I have 2 dimes. I know a dime is worth 10 cents, and I'm going to put the touch points 10 and 10. And then a quarter. I know a quarter is worth 25 cents. I'm going to put the touch points 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, now I'm going to count up my money, and I know that every dot is worth 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So he has 60 cents because if I add all of these up, it equals 60 cents. Okay. The second problem says, draw a clock and show 6:35. So I've already drawn my clock. I just drew a circle and wrote the numbers around the clock. I started with 12, and then I went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now when I draw time on a clock, I know I have a big hand and a little hand. The big hand or the longer hand is for the minutes, and the short hand or the little hand is for the hours. I'm going to start by drawing the hours. The hour hand. When I look at the time I'm going to draw, I see a 6 where it shows the hours. So my little hand or my short hand is going to point to the 6 like that. Then my minutes, it is 6:35. So I have to remind myself of what those numbers around the clock mean when I talk about minutes. Every single number around the clock when I'm talking about minutes is worth 5. So I count by 5s to tell the minutes. So I need to get to 6:35. So I'd count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So my big hand or my minute hand will point to the 7 or to the 35. So now my clock is showing 6:35. Did you get the problems right? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Did you try really hard? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.